All right. We are going live with winter storm coverage um over in Illinois, Iowa, and Indiana. I'm going to update something very quick. So, we're going live with a winter storm coverage. As we continue to watch, I decided to go live because this is becoming dangerous. So, I'm just doing something on my website. And also, you can go to that website at. Hang on a sec. Alright. You can find my website at. I don't remember, but I'll get to radar in a second. Okay, I'm gonna put the link for my website in the chat. All right, let's get to it. All right, a winter storm warning has just been issued in Pittsburgh with total snow accumulations of 4 and 7 inches. Um, this is Ohio right now. We're seeing new winter storm warnings pop up in some areas, and a lake effect snow warning has just been issued for Mercer County. But here is the main threat over here in Illinois and places as we continue to watch this as it drifts its way eastward, watching this right now. Okay, so watching this right now, Ohio, this is going to hit you later. There are cold weather advisories slamming across the United States, as we do have a total of 58 winter weather advisories. As we're going to continue to watch this, we have 54 cold weather advisories around the whole country. That is because of those frigid wind chills as low as 4 above expected in Alabama. So, we have an extreme cold watch over in South Carolina, and this is just updated. It is now 15 something degrees. Yes, but so here's a live camera in Cambridge, Ohio. Not seeing much snow activity yet, but once we get around, let's just say 1, 2, 3 o'clock, that's when you're going to be starting to see a lot of the snow. I'm going to show you a model that will take us through 18 hours. So this. Alright. So here, this is starting at 12 o'clock. We're gonna sim it through. As you can see, this snow there's gonna be a lot of snow in Ohio. And as you see, as the farther we go, those alerts will start to expire, even in places as Montana. But extreme cold warning in northeast North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. So yeah, a a winter storm warning has just been issued in Pittsburgh. Watching, so this is now. So I'm going to show something here. Um, for the National Weather Service in Cleveland and Pittsburgh. But I'm gonna do Cleveland first. Uh, Sorry, this is taking a while. Also, if we once we get to later, we're probably gonna be seeing more. We're so here on y'all mode. Oh, I keep clicking on y'all mode. You can toggle YOLO meters. That shows people sending in pictures. So here is what that is. Okay. Alright, so back here on the radar, this is the National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois. So we're going to be watching this. The winter weather advisory in Mercer County did expire. That is because, um, here, I'm gonna block the view for a second. I need to do something. All right. So we are going back here on radar. Just gonna show you that image for the National Weather Service in Cleveland for them to issue stuff. So let's go ahead and add this. No, I think I should put this in. So, for a winter storm warning, you need 6 inches. For the National Weather Service in Cleveland, you're going to need 6 inches or greater. Freezing rain accumulations, 1/4 inch or greater. For lake effect snow warning, that's only for counties like Trumbull, Mercer, Cuyahoga, all those counties north. You need a lake effect snow accumulation of 6 inches or greater. And then for a blizzard warning, you need frequent wind gusts 35 miles an hour or greater and falling blowing snow reducing visibility to less than 1/4 mile for at least 3 hours. And for a winter weather advisory, you need snow accumulations of 4 inches, any freezing rain accumulations less than 1/4 inch. So I'm going to take you back to radar in just a moment. Okay, here we go. So back here on, also I can just delete this image already. What the? Okay, so um, there are new winter storm warnings down in West Virginia. So we'll be tracking that. We do have a total of only 13 winter storm warnings. And in Louisiana, we do have in the city of Jennings, there is a water break. You need a boil advisory is in effect. Um, Bottled water is suggested, but the break has been repaired. The water system is back up. It is suggested to boil water before using. This expires in 4 hours. So 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Looks like we do have a couple marine warnings over in Florida as it is producing heavy rain. I'm going to check. These are going west, not at the same speeds though. Let's check in Orlando. Um, Not much activity. Probably a sunny day there. Freeze watch in effects for Jacksonville. And this area is all under a freeze watch that expires in 2 days. So we have a mesoscale discussion over here in Illinois and parts of Indiana. No, there's no rain at all. That's a good thing. So this expires in 3 hours. The concerning is for heavy snow. We're going to continue to watch this as it goes. But right now, so over on the East Coast, we've got other winter weather advisories that are in effect. So let's check at some cameras over in Iowa. We have a bunch of cameras, but we're going to look over here. This is on I-74. You can see that these roads are becoming covered with snow. You do not only travel on these roads if you have to. Um, this these roads are gonna become slippery in a little bit, so you're gonna need to take caution. As you can see, that car is sliding right there. And that's why you've got to be careful on these slippery roads. And right now, the good thing is and like that car needs to slow down. So this is on I-74 at 53rd Street. This is looking south towards places in Illinois. I'd say the most slippery part of this road is right over here because there is ice sort of on the road. We're tracking that. All right. So, um this is South I-74. This is probably the speed you need to be going on that road. So, we're going to get back to radar. Um, I'm probably going to hop off on the stream until something big happens. I usually stream for Ohio. So, thank you for watching this live stream.